हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ मोहम्मद शकील। आई होप क्या पार्ट सेकंड में आप लोगों ने जो प्रिपरेशन पार्ट हम लोगों ने देखा था उसको अच्छी तरह से समझ के उसके आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस की होंगी। अभी इंशाल्लाह हम लोग लेने वाले हैं पार्ट थर्ड, मीन्स रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन। नाउ फ्रेंड, लेट्स सी सम रिएक्शन। पहली रिएक्शन हम लोग देखेंगे, एक्शन ऑफ एक्सेस अमोनिया ऑन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड। लेट्स सी। HCHO reacted with NH3, we get CH2 6 times N4 plus H2O. For the purpose of balance, as here 6, 4, therefore we write here 4. Now friend, when formaldehyde is reacted with excess ammonia, there is a formation of hexamethylene tetramine. Now friend, these hexamethylene tetramine is also referred as urotropin. Now friend, urotropin is very important because it is act as an antiseptic in urinary infections. It is also utilized for the preparation of plastics and drugs. Now friend, the urotropin is very important because when it is nitrated, we get a highly explosive. Name of these explosive is cyclonide. Now friend, let's see their structure. हम लोग यूरोट्रोपिन का स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे अभी। N CH2 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 N CH2 bond CH2 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 N. Now friend, this is the structure of hexamethylene tetramine, means urotropin. It is just cage like structure and very important. इसके आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और ये बहुत आसान है। Now friend, let's see next and very important reaction, that is action of hydrogen cyanide on acetaldehyde. Okay, इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए आप लोग, बहुत आसान स्ट्रक्चर है। CH3 COH, when it is reacted with hydrogen cyanide, then what happened friend? The oxygen is attached with hydrogen and CN on carbon atom, and we get here CH3 COH HCN, that is acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. एक होमवर्क आप लोगों को दिया जा रहा है, अभी इस वीडियो को पॉज करके उसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए आप लोग। व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन HCN इज रिएक्टेड विथ एसीटोन। आई होप कि आप लोगों ने रिएक्शन कंप्लीट किया। अब हम लोग चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट की ओर, दैट इज क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन रिएक्शन। जनरली फ्रेंड, इन केस ऑफ रिडक्शन addition of hydrogen occur. Thus friend, in case of the Clemmensen reduction, when CO group is reduced in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid, the CO group is reduced to CH2 group, that is alkane In short, in Clemmensen reduction, CO group is converted into alkane. Let's see next and very important reaction, that is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now friend, in this reaction also CO group is converted into the CH2 group, but in contrast to these, in case of Wolff-Kishner, CO group is first reacted to hydrazine, and these hydrazine, the removal of water molecule occur. See here, the removal of water molecule occur, and we get C double bond N single bond NH2, that is the hydrazone. This is called as the hydrazone. Now this hydrazone is reacted with ethylene glycol to form CH2. In short, in Wolff-Kishner reduction, CO group is converted into CH2 group, means CO group alkane में convert होता है. Okay. Now friend, after these, let's see very important reaction, that is Cannizzaro reaction. अब हम लोग लास्ट रिएक्शन हम लोग देखने वाले हैं, that is Cannizzaro reaction. Now friend, in case of the Cannizzaro reaction is occur only on those aldehyde in which there is an absence of alpha hydrogen atom. Now friend, what is mean by alpha hydrogen atom? The alpha hydrogen atom are those which is attached to the alpha carbon atom. Then what is mean by alpha carbon atom? ये आप लोगों को हम लोगों ने पार्ट नंबर 1 में बताया था. In case of nomenclature, that is in common system, the alpha carbon atom are those carbon atom which is attached to the formyl कार्बन एटम, यानी अल्डेहाइडिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप का जो कार्बन है उसको जो कार्बन अटैच होता है उसे अल्फा कार्बन एटम कहा जाता है, और अल्फा कार्बन एटम को जो कार्बन एटम अटैच होता है उसे बीटा कार्बन कहा जाता है. इन दिस वे, thus in Cannizzaro reaction, the reaction is occur only on those especially aldehyde in which there is a presence of absence of alpha hydrogen atom. Thus friend, this reaction is easily occur in case of the formaldehyde. Let's see, HCOH plus HCOH. Formaldehyde, it is also formaldehyde. Now friend, when it is reacted with strong alkali, say NaOH, say 50% alcoholic, strong alkali, then what happened friend? The one molecule of formaldehyde is reduced to alcohol. Let's see, HCHOH. What happened friend? In case of these HCHOH means there is a formation of alcohol, that is methyl alcohol, while the another is oxidized to carboxylic acid. Let's see. See here. Now friend, actually what happened friend? Excuse me. See here. Now friend, in simple language, what happened in Cannizzaro reaction? When two molecule is oxidized or reduced simultaneously in the presence of concentrated alkali, the one molecule is reduced to methyl alcohol and another molecule is oxidized to sodium formate. This is occur in case of Cannizzaro reaction. तो दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने रिएक्शंस पार्ट देखा है. अब हम लोग चलते हैं यूजेस की ओर. नाउ फ्रेंड, इन केस ऑफ यूजेस, लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. Now friend, formaldehyde, it is utilized as a disinfectant and it is also utilized for the preparation of different type of substances. Formaldehyde is also utilized for the preparation of plastic and resins. The acetaldehyde is utilized for the preparation of acetic acid and dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, that is DDT, while acetone is utilized for the preparation of explosive, paint remover, drugs, perfume and as an adhesive, while benzaldehyde is generally utilized in dye industries. तो दोस्तों आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा कुछ रिएक्शंस. आई होप के रिएक्शन आपके समझ में आए होंगे. एक बात हमेशा याद रखिए, जितनी ज्यादा आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आप लोगों को फायदा होगा. इंशाल्लाह इसका जो फोर्थ और लास्ट पार्ट है हम लोग बहुत जल्दी से लेके आने वाले हैं. उसके पहले आप लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. इंशाल्लाह हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट इसमें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.